Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if your game audio is not working or has stopped working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu, type in troubleshoot. Best match should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, underneath Options, select Other Troubleshooters. And then underneath Most Frequent, select the Playing Audio Troubleshooter. And then I'd recommend following along with any prompts that it suggests here in terms of resolving the problem for you. And hopefully it's able to resolve it at that point. Make sure your speakers are also turned up on your computer and make sure it's not muted. So it checked to make sure our system tray was not muted, but if you have physical speakers, make sure they are turned on and that there's a good power supply going to them, because if they're not working right, then that's certainly a potential hardware related issue. Also, if you're using a different application like a Steam application perhaps, make sure whatever you're using is not muting the audio. So sometimes in game settings it'll give you the option to turn off or mute the sound. Make sure that is not the case in your situation. So that's something else I'd recommend taking a look at. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.